Hello viewers, welcome to Elimu TV, the #1 station where you watch and learn. And today we will be discussing Biology Form 1. We will be studying Biology Form 1. And today's topic is nutrition. Today's topic is nutrition. Our subtopic is vitamin and salts. This is lesson 39. This is lesson 39. I'm your tutor, Madam Sandra Awino. Stay tuned. By the end of the lesson, you'll be able to, number 1, test for presence of vitamin C. Test for presence of vitamin C. Number 2, compare between the amounts of vitamin C in 2 or more different foods. Introduction. To test for the presence of vitamin C, we require DCPIP. Which acts as an indicator. We require what? DCPIP, which acts as an indicator. So, in presence of vitamin C, it loses its color. It's usually blue in color, but in presence of vitamin C, it loses its color, but it turns to red with other acids. So requirements, these are the things that you require to test for vitamin C. Number 1, we have test tubes for putting our test tubes. We have glass rod, we have spatula, we have pestle and mortar. For example, if your food substance need to be grinded, you will require pestle and mortar. We have the dropper, and then the food sample and distilled water, and finally we require the dichlorphenol and phenol, the DCPIP solution. So this is how we test for vitamin C. This is how we test for vitamin C. The first thing that you do, you put 2 drops of indophenol in a test tube. You put 20 drops of indophenol, that is the DCPIP, in a test tube, and then you add your food molecule dropwise in the test tube. Add the food molecule dropwise. So after adding the food molecule, if it is discolored, there is presence of vitamin C. You can see on our first test tube, it's colorless, and on the second test tube, it's what? It's blue. So that means the first test tube has vitamin C and the second test tube lacks vitamin C, because we've said that in presence of vitamin C, the DCPIP is discolored. So this is our results and conclusion. So discolorization of DCPIP shows that vitamin C is present. You have to note that other chemicals can do this in food and drink, but vitamin C is the main one. So anytime you see discolorization of DCPIP, there is presence of vitamin C. So we've come to the end of our lesson. And I require you to do the following assignment. Number 1, how do we test vitamin C? And number 2, what is DCPIP in full? What is DCPIP in full? In reference, you can go to KLB Secondary Biology Student Book 1. You can go to KLB Secondary Biology Student Book 1. For this and more, you can contact us on our SMS number is 0723 144259, 0723 144259. On YouTube, you can get us on Elimu TV. On Facebook, you can get us on Elimu TV. And finally, on Twitter, you can get us on @ElimuTV_Kenya. Thank you.